Oh man. It's coming down. I'm gonna try to do some squirrel hunting. I don't know if they're gonna be doing much movement, but I decided to ditch the pellet rifle and go with a 12 gauge to improve my chances. Oh. There we go. Snowstorm Vern kicking my ass. Oh. I'm gonna get a shell loaded up and then I'll fix my mount for my camera on my head. We'll get going up there. It's really coming down. Maybe I'm not the smartest person in the world, but fuck it. There's a shitload of geese down there. Unfortunately, it's not goose season. That's usually how it goes. You see what you're not after. Oh. Oh. At least I'm not cold. I got a lot of layers on. I think I'm just gonna sit on top of this cliff and just let it snow on me and wait for a squirrel to come by. Oh. It is coming down. Surprisingly not cold. Like at all. I'm not even cold a little bit. There's some ducks down there too. I can't shoot them either. Sitting at the top of the cliff, just watching the tops of these trees. I like doing this while I'm squirrel hunting because I'm level about midway to the top of most of these trees that are below me. They were moving in the last storm, so I don't see why they wouldn't be moving in this one. Patience. Patience is the key. It's coming down like 2 inches an hour, it seems like. Some serious shit. slowly disappearing in the snow. Nothing yet. Go down this trail, see if I can pick something up. Whew. I'm gonna have to WD-40 this thing. WD-40 is not good for lubricant on a gun, but it gets some moisture, knocks some moisture right out of it. I'd say we got a good 8 inches so far. Check that out over there. See that rock face and that big boulder? There's a big cave underneath it. See that? I'm not really a cave person, so I'm not going over there, but that's cool. Plus, I think that's beyond the property line. So, I ain't trying to mess this place up for myself. Oh man, it's getting thick. There's a squirrel nest way up there. It's not a squirrel, but it's a squirrel's nest. Yeah, it might be best to wait until this storm rolls over, but I wanted to come in the woods and check it out. We don't get snowstorms like this much anymore. It's nice. Visibility's starting to go. I mean, you can't see 50 yards. It's almost like fog, but it's just so dense in the air, the snow. My next plan is to go down into the gorge a little. See if that makes a difference. And if that don't work, I'll head back to the house and come back out after the storm's over, which will be probably tomorrow afternoon. Then they'll be moving a lot. That's my hunch. They're hunkering down and waiting for this to pass. Alright, we're almost to the bottom of the gorge. And I'm liking the cover they got down here. We might get lucky down here. They just got a lot more pines to get away from the snow in, you know. But it is awful hard to spot them in the pines. That's for sure. There's a squirrel that jumped from branch to branch way down there. That big tall pine way over there. Getting underneath that tree, I'm not going to be able to see him because he's like almost at the tippy top of that thing. I think my best bet is to just lie low, sit right here, and watch these tall pines. It's probably my best bet. I'm about to pack up and get out of here. We'll come back after the storm tomorrow afternoon. It is wicked out here.